Let's make cappuccino in about 15-20 seconds. Get the cold milk. You can actually use the cold milk direct from the jug by insert the tube inside the cold milk or any container. And voila! As long as you have a semi-commercial or commercial machine, cappuccino was never easy the way you see it right now. Nice perfect foam, and you got your espresso ready. Slowly put the espresso on the side if you want to do the what we call 3-color cappuccino. Best cappuccino ever with the automatic cappuccino maker. Making cappuccino with this device, it says as 1, 2, 3.